Hello friends, this is King from Wandering Leisure. This video, we would like to provide our honest thoughts in staying in both Capsule and the treehouse at the Rock Lodge. Let's dive in. Here as we walking into the Capsule accommodation, this room comes with its own private shower and 2 twin beds, perfect for 2 adults. You also find the complementaries, coffee, teas, and 2 liters bottles of waters. But one standout feature of the capsule room is that each comes with the private patio surrounded by greeneries and growing trees, offering a sincere views of the Rocky Mountains, which is truly captivating. The rooms that comes with the private bathroom and toilet, they situated that inside the room. The bathroom and toilet are separated but very small. I have to mention this about the bathroom, specifically for the capsule room. My friend and I went out for caving, and then when we returned, it was really cold that day, and we hoped to be able to take a warm shower, but we were very disappointed because that was not the case, and we really hope that the lodge could look into this improvement and that to enhance the guest satisfaction. Next, we are providing our thoughts on the tree's house that we were staying. And as you can see that we are walking toward the tree's house from the main entrance. It's probably about 200 to 300 meters walking through the metal bridge to get to that tree house. And as you can see, these are absolutely beautiful. Now here's a head up, if you're a light sleeper like my friend, this maybe not be the best pick for you because the tree's house can get a bit noisy during the strong winds, with the trees swaying and creating some unusual sounds. As for amenities, you cover just like any other rooms. You have complimentary coffee, tea, and then have water to keep all 6 guests hydrated throughout your stay. Overall, we really enjoy our stay at the Rock Lodge. We had a a great time there, especially the activities that you can they offering all kind of outdoor activity like zip lining, rock climbing, spider bridge, crossing, and I believe that there's also have kayaking as well. Friends, thank you so much for watching our video, and we really appreciate that you give us some feedbacks, and if you like the video, what you think about this voiceover. It's actually our first time to do the voiceover in our video, and we are planning to do that on the giving the reviews on the accommodations. We want to provide some of our personal thoughts to it. Other than that, we're trying to keep our video very neutral. Please consider to comment and like and subscribe to our channel and help us grow. We are almost to the 1,000 subscriber, and we really appreciate all. And this episode of Khammouane province is not ending yet. We still have a couple video that we are going to upload. Thank you for watching, guys.